Hello everyone, welcome to March Real Estate Market Update. I'm Uros Markovic, Calgary area realtor. And hey, tariffs, what's happening now? Well, Canada, along with Calgary, has been thrust into a full-blown trade war with US, seemingly out of nowhere. Newly re-elected US President Donald Trump has made global headlines with his aggressive stance on international trade, and Canada is now in his crosshair. His administration aims to strengthen the American economy, even at the expense of Canada's, by imposing tariffs on Canadian exports. So now we are bracing for a trade war. As of now, US has imposed 25% tariff on goods and 10% tariffs of energy, or so. They keep changing it every other day anyways. But these measures are expected to create $8 billion deficit for Alberta in 2025, pushing the province back to economic conditions reminiscent of turndown between 2015 and 2019. The Alberta government's recently released budget projected $5 billion surplus for 2024, but with these tariffs in place, that surplus could turn into a significant $8 billion deficit. However, potential counter-tariffs might help to offset some of the impact. Despite the uncertainty, there is a silver lining. Canadians are actually getting together. Interprovincial trade barriers are coming down, and there is renewed support for a coast-to-coast energy pipeline strengthening national energy security. In the long run, this could greatly benefit Alberta. Now let's review economic forecasts. There is optimism for Calgary real estate. February brought a wave of economic forecasts, all pointing to strong year for Calgary real estate. CMHC conducted mortgage consumer survey, and what it says: 55% of buyers in 2024 were first-time home buyers, reinforcing Calgary's reputation for affordability compared to other major Canadian cities. An influx of young buyers is expected, which should fuel trade-up activity in coming years. 69% of mortgages in 2024 were fixed rate, something to consider as interest rates continue to drop. Given the economic uncertainty, a variable rate might be worth considering for new buyers. Also, RBC published their housing market forecast. And what does it say? Home prices and sales in Alberta are expected to rise 4 to 5% in 2025, driven by affordability and strong interprovincial migration. Now, this is one important information for all of the investors and renters. Rents continue to decline. February's rental market saw 9% year-over-year decrease in rents. The surge in purpose-built rental properties has increased supply, leading to lower rates, a clear example of a free market benefiting tenants. With new rental units hitting the market, this trend supports the argument that Alberta does not need rent control. Now, this is an important news. Calgary's resale market is following its usual seasonal trend. February home prices rose slightly to $587,600, a trend expected to continue into July. Months of supply sits at 2.41, a 170% increase over February 2024, largely due to higher inventory levels entering in 2025 and a slightly slower sales pace. Overall, Calgary's market is expected to remain balanced throughout the year. Are you thinking of moving this year? If you're considering a move, I'm here to help. Reach out to get the expert guidance and take next steps in your real estate journey. Thank you and have an incredible March.